Alright, I accidentally ended the prior video. I am long gold from 1635.60. Now this is the mini size contract, it's not the GC. And the ES actually slipped off. I sold it and it slipped off another 2 points from where I sold it. Now currently trading at 1378 half. We actually traded to 77, so I get up real early every morning, and I'm usually up till about 12 o'clock every night studying my charts, getting my plays ready, and I'm consistently back testing because I feel that there's some kind of symmetry with the markets, and that's what I've developed over the years of working in this business, that there's certain patterns that tend to trade, and it's not always the conventional patterns, right? There's patterns that you can observe yourself that other people really don't see the way you see them, and the probabilities could be high and they could be undiscovered. Just like everyone discovered, the cup and handle, the ascending triangle, and then it became very popular, you can do the same thing. Now, watching different patterns, noticing that stocks trend, right? No day will ever be the same as the next day, no prior day. So yesterday will never be the same as today, and we have to understand that. So if you're having a difficult time waking up early in the morning, then there's some kind of problem with your motivation. You can't wait for someone else to motivate you. You got to get it. When I get up in the morning, I am not tired at all. I don't care if I get 5 hours of sleep, 4 hours of sleep. It's like Christmas morning when I wake up. I'm ready to go. It's like the night before your birthday, And Jim Rohn said that when you're going to work to pay your bills, that's not very exciting. But when you're going to work to build a fortune and you're working hard on yourself and your vocabulary and your education in your business, that's when you really excel in life. So I just wanted to put that out there. We see the gold ticking up to 1637 right now. We just tested that level, so we're going to need to get over that. I'll probably sell out of this position at 38, and I'll watch it going into the pre-market, see if it could get over 1638.60 and finally get that move up to 1641. So I'm going to sell it at 37.80. Yeah, because I have to do some more pre-market work, see what stocks I'm going to trade. I'm definitely watching this Apple today, FFIV blowout quarter. All right, we just got filled. So that was a $365 profit. And now you see the spike. I got out too early, wow, but I didn't know that was going to happen right then. I thought it was going to happen on the open. Alright, so looking at the world markets, just to try to gauge our markets, we had Asia finish up in the green. Almost all of Asia. That's very rare nowadays to have happen. Europe was mixed, but I have to give the edge to the bears. Looking at Belgium was down over 1.5%. Italy was down 2.5%. Spain down 4%. Traders. Only good thing going was Iceland. And Estonia, of course. Estonia has been strong in the past week. I saw some buying coming into that markets when I was looking at it. So that's what we have this morning for world markets. So it's kind of mixed. I really can't get a clear signal of what's going to happen, the indication of the trend. Alright, so we had a lot of companies that reported this morning. Just going to go through some companies real quick so you can see them. Bank of America, worse than expected quarter, even though the stock was trading up, down 17% on revenues. Baxter beat earnings by 1 cent, up 3 cents from a year ago. Blackstone missed by a penny, down year over year. Boston Scientific's big quarter. I want you to look at this, right? Look at the volume that came through. It was yesterday or the day before when ISRG reported, right? They're in the same group. So Boston Scientific is moving up in the pre-market. Cypress Semi beat by 2 cents, but they are down from a year ago. DuPont, better than expected quarter, 6-cent beat, up 11% revenue year over year. Diamond Offshore, $1.33, and they are down drastically, about 67 cents from the prior time last year. Let's see, Freeport, of course, we have to watch this. Misses by 5 cents. Check this out. Down 19% revenue year over year, and big slump here, traders, big slump. Down roughly 80%, 80 cents per share from the last year in the same quarter. Let's take a look at that stock. By the way, look how this gold rallied. I had the trend right. I got out too early. There was no reason for me to get out right here. I wanted to look for more opportunities. I couldn't give it 100% focus, but if you look at this trend, you wouldn't have had to get out till maybe this candle. Alright, so Freeport's actually trading up in pre-market. Just got a 38.75 print. I don't understand it. Maybe they said some good things in the conference call, but we'll worry about that later on. So Morgan Stanley actually reported a 5-cent loss, but they're trading up in pre-market for some reason. Revenue's down 8% year over year. This time last year, we reported 45 cents higher per share. So, anyways, New York Times doing good here. Up, beat by 6 cents. Nokia missed by another penny, lost than they expected. Nucor, 46 cents versus 39 cents. So, you could see a little bit of action in the steel stocks today. BTU, this is what I was waiting for right here, traders. So, we beat earnings estimates. We know that we had a warm winter, so the coal producing companies were not doing as well. Go ahead and take a look at A&R. So we could kind of gauge what A&R is going to be doing. If BTU could get some shorts covering today, maybe we could get a lift in some of the other coal companies. Look at PCX, A&R, stuff like that. 17% year over year on their revenue, so I like seeing that. Penn Gaming, big blowout. Keep an eye on Penn Gaming. Philip Morris beats again. You know, this is a solid company right here. I don't see it cooling down anytime soon. PPG Industries beats. Sherwin-Williams beats again, this time by a penny. 15% year-over-year increase in revenue. Snap-on, nice beat, 5-cent beat. And that's pretty much it. Travelers. I think they hiked their dividend. I'm pretty sure I read that. Also, huge beat not only from the prior year, right, in the same quarter, but we're up 50 cents above analyst expectations. Keep an eye on this stock. I'm pretty sure it's gapping up huge, but just keep an eye. Maybe we could buy it on the dip this morning. Travelzoo beats by 2 cents. Union Pacific, big beat right here. 15-cent beat and up year over year. UNH beats. Good story there. Verizon beats. And that's going to be it. I'll update you later on.